Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am here to explain the topic natural resources. So let's begin. First of all, we should know the definition of resources. Resources are nothing but the anything that has some utility to satisfy our needs are known as resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Resources can be classified in the following ways. On the basis of origin, they are biotic and abiotic resources. On the basis of exhaustibility, they are renewable and non-renewable resources. On basis of ownership, individual, community, national and international resources. And on the basis of status of development, there are two types, actual and potential resources. On the basis of origin, biotic resources and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are the resources or the substances which are derived from the biosphere, like living things, and from forest and the material derived from them. These mainly include fossil fuels like coal gas or petroleum. Biotic resources, that refers to the resources that make up non-living entities. Minerals, rocks, and other biotic resources are examples of abiotic resources. On the basis of exhaustibility, there are also of two types, renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are those resources that can be replenished or renewed naturally over time. Air, water, wind, solar energy are all renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are the resources which cannot be immediately replaced once they are depleted, are called non-renewable resources. Example of non-renewable resources are like that includes fossil fuels such as coal, petroleum and natural gas, and rare minerals typically found in meteorites. On basis of ownership, they are individual, community, national and international resources. Individual resources are the resources which are owned by individuals. These resources cannot be shared or cannot be accessed by someone else. Example like plot, field or house. Community resources are these resources which are accessible to all the members of the community, are known as community resources. Village, ponds, public parks, playground, etc. are some of the examples of community resources. National resources, like all that resources which are under the control of state or union government, are known as national resources. Example railways and forest. International resources. The international resources are that resources that are governed by international organization, or example the open sea or ocean refers to the ocean and water beyond 200 miles of exclusive economic zones. On the basis of status of development, there are actual and potential resources. Actual resources are those resources where quantity is known which are being used in the present. Coal, water and petrol are actual resources. Potential resources are those resources which exist in a region and which can be used in the future, like solar power, wind power, mineral oil, uranium, etc. are some of the potential example of potential resources. Thank you.